Are you guys also facing issue while waking up in morning? In past, I was also going through same and अभी भी कभी कभी हो जाता है. And the reason behind this is we didn't had a good sleep, a quality sleep or a deep sleep. Basically जब भी हम सोते हैं, so our body and mind get relaxed and getting ready to make a fresh start next day. And if we didn't had a quality sleep, in that case our body and mind didn't get relaxed, and whenever we wake up we feel lazy, हमें उठने का मन नहीं करता, and we feel bit heaviness in our brain, heaviness in our mind. बॉडी बहुत हैवी फील होती है. इट्स लाइक मन होता है थोड़ी देर और सो लें. और एज पार्ट ऑफ दिस वेनेवर वी स्टार्ट अ डे, तो हमें फोकस करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, हमें कंसंट्रेशन करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. इवन वी बिकम क्रैंकी सम टाइम. सो हमारा डे ऐसे स्टार्ट होता है. इवेंचुअली इफ़ वी स्टार्ट आर डे लाइक दिस, देन वी लूज़ अ फुल डे, क्योंकि पूरा दिन कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स एंड इशू बने रहेंगे, एंड वी वोंट बी एबल टू विन आर डे. सो स्लीप इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड देर आर मैनी फैक्टर्स विच इफेक्ट्स आर sleep, and one of them is breathing. Yeah, breathing and sleep is directly linked. So if you are not breathing properly, you won't be able to sleep properly. Now let me tell you why. Because if you are not breathing properly, then the amount of oxygen which is required by our cell or our body is not going into our body, and as part of that our body is in stress, and if our body is in stress, then we won't be able to sleep because there is stress and we are in survival mode, and we cannot sleep in survival mode because our body will always be awake कि अरे कुछ खतरा है, कुछ खतरा है, कुछ खतरा है, and we won't be able to sleep properly. Now if we breathe properly, that means if we breathe using our nose, because whenever we use our nose, by default somehow we use our diaphragm, which is a natural way of breathing. So try to breathe from your nose, and to start breathing from your nose you should make sure that your nostrils are clean and clear, and you're not having any congestion or a blockage in your nostril, because unconsciously कई बार ऐसा होता है कि because of that blockage you started breathing from your mouth. तो दिन में तो we are not aware, कॉन्शियसली हम कर लेते हैं, बट रात में अनकॉन्शियसली वी ओपन आवर माउथ और हम पूरी रात मुंह से ब्रीथ करते हैं, एंड एज पार्ट ऑफ दैट इवेंचुअली वी स्टार्टेड स्नोरिंग. और मॉर्निंग में जब हम उठते हैं तो हमारा मुंह ड्राई होता है बिकॉज वी वर ब्रीदिंग फ्रॉम आवर माउथ, एंड एज वी वर ब्रीदिंग फ्रॉम आवर माउथ we won't be able to sleep because again that amount of oxygen which is required is not going in our body, and full night our body was in stress कि dude oxygen नहीं है, oxygen नहीं है, oxygen नहीं है, and that's the reason we won't be able to sleep properly. और morning में जब भी हम उठते हैं तो we wake up with a tiredness. So the first part is make sure that your nostrils are clean, and do regularly practice a nostril cleaning exercise in the morning and in evening as well. And apart from that, make sure that whenever you are going to sleep, just have your food 3 hours or 2 hours before your bedtime, so that you won't feel any heaviness. And yeah, there is one exercise as well. Still, if you are having some stress or because of some thoughts or stressful day, if you are not able to sleep properly, और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि नहीं है स्ट्रेस भी बट हमें सोने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, लाइक हम इतनी जल्दी नहीं सो पाते. कुछ लोग होते हैं कि दे जस्ट गेट इन टू बेड एंड दे कैन स्लीप, बट फ्यू पीपल्स आर लाइक जल्दी नींद नहीं आती या फिर रात में खुल जाती है. सो यू गाइज कैन ट्राई दिस एक्सरसाइज एंड दिस विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू आउट इन स्लीपिंग फास्टर. मैं ये डेली करती हूँ टू मेक माई सेल्फ स्लीप, क्योंकि मुझे भी ये प्रॉब्लम था, आई वोंट बी एबल टू स्लीप वेरी क्विकली. So I did this exercise daily. I'll tell you how to do that. And before that, one more thing I told already. So make sure that every morning you do exercise for nostril cleaning, so that you won't be breathing from your mouth full day. और अगर आप पूरे दिन practice करोगे to breathe from your nose, then रात में भी you will be able to easily breathe from your nose. It's just your nostrils should be clean and open, and you should make practice to breathe from your nose. Now I'll tell you the exercise. The exercise is 3 4 5. Yeah, so or 5 6 7 or 4 5 6, it can be anything. So how this number varies is, like for say your breathing time is 3 seconds, like breathe in. Okay, so I breathe for 3 seconds. If my breathing time is 3 seconds, then I have to hold for 4 seconds, and 5 is I have to breathe out for 5 seconds. Now this breathe out should be from your mouth. So let me give you an example. Okay, so breathe in 1 2 3. Now hold 1 2 3 4. Now breathe out from your mouth 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, got it? Breathe in 3, hold 4, breathe out from your mouth 5. Okay, now let's do with me. Let's start. Breathe in, hold, breathe out from your mouth. Okay, one more time. Breathe in, hold, breathe out from your mouth. Do this exercise for 5-6 times so that you'll get relaxed. आपका पैरासिम्पैथिक नर्वस सिस्टम जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है आपको रिलैक्स करने के लिए, वो एक्टिवेट होता है इससे, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू रिलैक्स योर सेल्फ वेरी सून एंड एबल टू स्लीप वेरी सून. So try this exercise and have a good sleep. Bye bye.